On today's menu, an extremely easy dessert you can make that's delicious and vegan. Matcha lava cake.
Late ho ma everyone, I'm Will Young. There's nothing better than making an easy vegan cake, but we're gonna put a modern twist to an old classic.
Preheat your oven to 375. Mixing bowl, quarter cup flour, 2 tablespoons cane sugar, quarter teaspoon baking powder, pinch of salt.
Now matcha clumps up really easily when it's wet, so it's crucial that you sift it.
1 teaspoon matcha. One tablespoon oil. A dash of vanilla extract. Quarter cup coconut or almond milk. Whisk. Ramekin. Oil. Grease your ramekin to prevent your cake from sticking. Batter. Place your chocolate in the center of your batter. Into the oven for 20 minutes.
And just let that rest for about 3 minutes. Just carefully separate it from the bowl.
Plate.
This is just coconut frosting from a previous episode. Just place on your incredible lava cake.
An incredibly easy dessert you can make with confidence.
So simple to make and just delicious.